In this video, we are going to look at the rotating tooth model. Again, labeled hotspots. We have, there we go, we have play, left, right, enlarge, and you could drag it back and forth. Yes, I missed the center axis. So this is a premolar, and the parts of the tooth is we have a crown up here. The crown is the part that is over the tooth, or over the gum line, and we have roots here. Molars and premolars have 2 roots, incisors and cuspids have 1 root. And then this region is the neck. I learned it was the neck. It's right at the gum line. Now, I looked at some pictures and they weren't labeling the neck. Uh-oh, he didn't brush his teeth. He has a cavity. So, this is the inside. The top tough part is enamel. And there was a thing on some social media talking about how bone can grow in enamel. Enamel doesn't have a blood supply. There's nothing there to replace it. So if you have little bacteria making acid, it goes away. Whereas bone has bone cells that can repair. So this is the enamel. Now this structure is a really cool structure. It's called dentin. So teeth are not really made out of bone. They're made out of dentin. Now, this is pulp. It's in the pulp cavity. So this is a hollow, and you're supposed to be able to see blood vessels, the arteries and veins, and it has 5,000 nerves. You know that when the dentist drills for oil, or when you have said cavity and you eat something really cold. So there's a lot of nerves and blood vessels in here. Now, those blood vessels have to come in. So this is the root canal. So it's coming up the root. And what happens when they do a root canal procedure is they're basically increasing the size. And those who are going to dental programs, they will explain it a lot better than I can explain it. So basically, they're working on this so your tooth can stay alive. So that is your tooth in 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Thank you.